Anyone that's kind of experiencing some of this pain and difficulty with knees or hips or joints should certainly consider doing the stem cell injection therapy. I had to make the decision to either try the stem cells or do a surgery for replacement, and the stem cell thing really worked out the best for me. I'm 66 years old and I've lived a pretty active life. I've dealt with a bad hip and knees for quite some time. I had my initial stem cell injection therapy on December the 6th of 2017. Since that time, I've been much more comfortable. I've gained larger range of motion in my joints. Within 3 to 4 weeks of the injections, my hip felt better than it has felt in quite a few years. Everybody on staff was very good to work with. It was quick, it was easy, everything went great.